This is a used 2007 Mercedes-Benz GL Class. It's powered by all-wheel drive, a 4.6-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. The features include a power sunroof, electric trunk, rear seat entertainment system, command system, heated seats, heated rear seats, a HomeLink system, power folding mirrors, Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio. Safety was made a priority with these features: a backup camera, curtain head airbags, side airbags, second and third row head airbags, rain sensing wipers, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.